Unlocking your lucky streak. Mastering the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind a popular English phrase, on a lucky streak. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore together what it means to be on a lucky streak and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. On a lucky streak refers to a continuous series of successes or good luck that someone experiences. It's like hitting a series of green lights when you're in a hurry, or finding money on the ground several times in a row. This phrase often carries a positive connotation, suggesting that the person experiencing this streak is momentarily favored by fortune. While the exact origin of the phrase is hard to pinpoint, it's widely believed to come from gambling or sports, where winning or losing can often seem to happen in sequences or streaks. Over time, the phrase has transcended these contexts to be used in everyday situations, from small wins like finding a parking spot in a crowded area to significant achievements such as consecutive promotions at work. To get a better grasp of how to use on a lucky streak in a sentence, let's look at some examples. I've been on a lucky streak at the casino tonight, winning 5 games in a row. She seems to be on a lucky streak with her investments, each one performing better than the last. Ever since he found that lucky coin, he's been on a lucky streak in everything he does. This phrase is perfect for informal contexts, like chatting with friends, storytelling, or in casual social media posts. However, it's less common in formal writing or speeches, unless you're using it to add a touch of personality or to convey an anecdote in a more relaxed tone. And there you have it, the lowdown on what it means to be on a lucky streak. We hope this exploration not only enriches your understanding of this phrase but also inspires you to share your own lucky streaks with us in the comments below. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with its own lucky streaks, and we're here to celebrate each one with you. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.